Holly McKhann coming to you from San Clemente from this recently renovated home. If you're looking for a downstairs bedroom and bath, a big backyard under $1.65 million, this could be the home for you. Let's take a look at all the details. As you first enter the home, you notice the huge vaulted ceilings, and there's can lights in them to provide extra lighting. The homes of this era didn't have that, but the owner recently added that improvement, and it really enhances the light. The living room has a cozy fireplace, a view of the front yard if you're checking on pets and little ones, and it opens right to the formal dining room. The dining room opens to this recently updated renovated kitchen, which features oak shaker cabinets with gold hardware. It looks like jewelry for the cabinets. It's so pretty. Quartz countertops in the latest design trend. Also included are brand new stainless steel appliances. The kitchen is open to a dining area and a family room area, as well as a sliding door to the backyard. Once again, you can keep your eye on pets and little ones or have easy access to the backyard for a barbecue. This room had an addition, whereas before, this room used to be a bedroom, but with the addition, the bedroom has gone further. So you have this large space that you can use how you would like. It can be for dining, it could be a casual family room, it could be for a workout or home gym, all kinds of things you can do with it. Right now, the stager has shown this area as a living room and the other area as a dining room, and it works really well. This downstairs bedroom was an addition and legally permitted at that, so it can be a bedroom or a home office. The primary suite enjoys natural light, and the windows look out to some hills for some really nice views. The backyard back here is really special. It's very private because there's no neighbors behind you except way up the hill. You've got a grassy area, which is perfect for pets and little ones, as I've mentioned. Also great for a backyard barbecue. This home in San Clemente is about a 10-minute drive from either Dana Point Harbor or San Clemente Pier. Lots of nearby local beaches for you to enjoy surfing, water sports, or relaxing on the beach. And the Dana Point Harbor, with its $600 million renovation that's well underway, is going to be quite the spectacular resort area to go to when it's completed in the next year or two. So come check out this house right away. It's close to all the wonderful things in San Clemente and Dana Point. It's renovated and ready for you to move in. Contact me for a private tour right away.